Who is accomplice? What is the nature, scope, and value of his evidence in a criminal trial? Ans. Section 133 of Indian Evidence Act says, an accomplice shall be competent witness against an accused, and conviction is not illegal merely because it proceeds upon the uncorroborated testimony of an accomplice. Word accomplice has not been defined in Indian Evidence Act. An accomplice means a guilty associate or partner in crime or who in some way or other is connected with the offense in question and who makes admission of facts showing that he had a conscious hand in the offense. Section 133 of Evidence Act declares that an accomplice is a competent witness and conviction can be based on uncorroborated testimony of an accomplice. Evidentiary value of evidence of an accomplice. Section 133 lays down that an accomplice is a competent witness and conviction based on sole testimony of an accomplice is not illegal. However, illustration B to Section 114 of Evidence Act lays down that an accomplice is unworthy of credit unless he is corroborated in material particulars. In Suresh Chandra Bahari v. State of Bihar AIR 1995 SC 2420 Supreme Court observed test for appreciation of evidence of approver, accomplice, corroboration in material particulars, and qua each accused is essential. Section 133 lays down that conviction can be based on uncorroborated testimony of an accomplice is not illegal, but rule of guidance indicated in illustration B of Section 114 of Evidence Act has resulted in settled practice to require corroboration of evidence of an accomplice and which has now virtually assumed the force of law. Recently in Narayan Chetan Ram Chaudhary v. State of Maharashtra 2004, Recent Criminal Report 75, SC, Supreme Court has laid down following propositions of law in this regard. A. Combined effect of Section 133 and illustration B to Section 114 of Evidence Act was that an accomplice is competent to give evidence, but it would be unsafe to convict the accused on his testimony alone, though such conviction on testimony of an accomplice cannot be said to be illegal. B. There should be corroboration in material particulars of approver's statement. C. Conviction on uncorroborated testimony of an accomplice is not illegal, but corroboration may be dispensed with only if peculiar circumstances of case make it safe to dispense with it.